Hey everybody, today I am building a frame for a mirror out of free pallet wood for my wife. This is an easy woodworking project that doesn't require a lot of tools, and you can easily make this in a weekend. My biggest piece of advice when building out of pallet wood is to just let all the defects shine through your project. Every nail hole, split, or whatever it might be just adds that much more character to your piece and makes it more unique. Now I'm going corner to corner to make sure that the top and the bottom are as square as I can get them to each other. I'm using the version of Titebond that dries translucent. This is ideal for using on projects like this because the glue lines aren't really noticeable, even with the pallet wood not sitting flush to each other. Once the glue had dried, I took it outside and did a light sanding with 120 grit sandpaper, applied a few coats of black walnut colored Danish oil, and finished it off with a few coats of satin spray lacquer. I used the wall mounting hardware to attach the mirror to the frame. The reason why there is such a large gap on one end is because the mirror wasn't even close to being flush with the frame. I mounted a few additional brackets to areas where the mirror was flush to the frame just to give it more support. Well, there you have it. With a free pallet, a $25 mirror, and a few basic tools, you can easily make one of these in a weekend. I do want to thank you for watching this week's project video. If you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks again, and I'll talk to you later.